Professor Baga, we're hearing about the Sri Sri University. What are the values that are there, especially for the girl child? It's about empowering women. You as an empowered woman are the president. What are the values that are being inculcated in all the students, especially the girl child?
So for us, the importance of the girl child starts much before the university. In fact, Puja Gurudev's sister, whom we lovingly call Bhanu Didi, she runs over 1,300 free schools, where about 100,000 children are getting free education, and 50% of them are girls. So these are girls who never went to school. Nobody in their families went to school. These are first generation literates, almost all of them. So right from that age, till the time a normal urban student, like some of whom I'm seeing here, come to the university, I think focus on girls to empower themselves, educate themselves, enrich themselves so that they can empower others, I think is at the core of our DNA. In our university rhythm, we have 3 core values: learn, lead, and serve. And I think these are universal to all of us, that we learn from every source possible without bias. See, we eat food from everywhere. I don't have to be Italian to eat a pizza, right?
Yes.
I don't have to be Chinese to eat Chinese food. But in learning, I see there are a lot of biases people have, that I won't learn this, I won't learn from here. So we want our students to learn from everywhere so they can lead, become leaders in their own field, so that they can serve back the society. That circle is not complete if you don't have an intent to give back. So all of these, and this is the base. And then along with that, innovation. See, if we don't innovate today, we are not relevant, isn't it? Your field of media is disrupting every day. Every field is disrupting. So how can we innovate? Second, take action. Only thinking is not going to help. So innovation, action, and dedication. Do it with full enthusiasm, dedication. Like for me, your team is a representative of that also. With so much dedication, you have built this new studio, you started this new effort. So that is important. So these are the values.
So, Professor Baga, what is then the role of women in leadership positions? Because you're talking about innovation and how they need to serve. What could their role in the future years you see be in leadership roles?
I think women have a very, very, very important role to play as leaders. Rhythm, if you look at any data, whether it is data about corruption, whether it is data about how boards become better at functioning if women are on the boards, how corruption reduces if women are in leadership positions in government. There is so much data available which shows that presence of women in leadership positions is productive and positive for countries, for corporations, for society. So I think as women, it is our responsibility, because we are capable, to take leadership roles. So I would encourage every young student, everyone who is in your 20s, 30s, seize the opportunity. Look for opportunities to contribute, to learn, to make a difference, and learn from each other. Learn, this is a great platform where, you will listen to so many inspiring women, learn from such inspiring women who have made a mark,
yes,
and chart your own story.